thunderstorm warning for south central eastern Arkansas, northeastern Lee County and eastern Arkansas, southeastern St. Francis County and eastern northwestern DeSoto County and northeast Mississippi, northern Tunica County and northwest Mississippi until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm located near Haines, or 8 miles south of Forest City, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Hughes. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a storm shelter or small interior room. Stay tuned to this broadcast for the latest updates and information. To report severe weather only, call 1-800-432-0875. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Crittenden, Lee and St. Francis, and the following counties in Mississippi, DeSoto and Tunica.